So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to rotate or how to flip an image vertically here in design wizard. So after you're into the application or the website, go into the left hand side of your screen and press on the elements cube right here in between text and my items. Press on elements. Now add a photo to your design. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and select a photo, which I have used in the past, I believe, and it'll be this earth right here. So now it's going to take a couple seconds to load this into your design, and once that is done, which hopefully is fairly shortly, in order to flip this photo vertically, it's very straightforward. Tap on the image, go to the top bar right here to where it says flip. Press on flip to go to the drop down, then obviously press on flip vertical, and just like that, you've now flipped the image vertically here in Design Wizard. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can flip an image vertically here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.